This is Vivek from codingsaver.com. This is the second video on WordPress theme in 60 minutes. In previous video I have completed, I have done header part. Still there are some issues. I'll try to fix this in this one or in upcoming. The problem is here for H1 we have margin, default margin. In previous theme we are using CSS reset. Here we are not, so that I am just adding margin 0 to H1. So that's also a problem. And the rest social network icons and all those I'll give later. After completing the theme I'll make them dynamic everything. It's a static HTML for now. Look into what's the problem. Yeah, for paragraphs also same margin 0. If we can apply margin 0, that's good. For this one also margin 0. For this for UL I think it's taking margin 0 we can apply. Still it's not working. I think padding also. Yeah, it's working. For paragraph and UL I had to apply margin 0 and padding 0. I'll combine both styles. I'll combine all here UL, P, LI, margin 0 and padding also 0. Okay, this is working fine as a HTML. Next part is a menu. I'll use this HTML. Yes, HTML. Right after the header, this is our previous header. This is our new header HTML. I'll modify this. I'll make them dynamic through admin panel after completing this thing. Next one is a menu. This is also done. We have added menu. Also maintained a little bit. Okay, this is good. Next I have to add styles for UL, otherwise it looks like just this one. I have to add the styles. These are the navigation styles. Nav start from nav start to nav end. In advanced I have to copy and paste it in style.css file. I have some issues. I'll fix that. List style none we have to apply for LI. Here in this social network in menus part. Here I can apply list style none. List style none, and here in its image also it's not showing. Let's check why. It's because the path is wrong. Here I am going to add a list style none for this menu LI. Menu LI is this one. You can add anywhere. I'm adding last list style none. And the next part is to change the image path. Now I'll work on these two to make it dynamic. First I'll change this path, because if I'm navigating to a page, okay, first I'll make it a menu. Create a menu. Here we already have a menu. I'll call this one using wp_nav_menu. That's a function. I'm just using this one. Top of our navigation, I'm going to use this code here. Container is not div because it's a navigation element, and now we don't have any classes for our container id. We don't need this. And next one is a ul class. This is a menu container and menu class. This is a menu. It's already same, and we don't have any id for ul, so I'm leaving as it is. And next, it's the same, keep it as it is. Now if I remove this one, or just I will comment it so that I can refer back later. Just I have commented using HTML. If I refresh this one, you'll see the same menu replaced with a dynamic one. For now I will add one class here for home, that is home icon, home underscore icon. From here I'll combine two classes. Here in HTML we have two different classes for this home icon. Okay. I'll try first. I'll see the output, then after that I will modify. This time here we are not getting this. It says home icon A. Then target it as. It's working. This is not showing on over. It's because this is the wrong style. We don't need this. It's an over. It's background now. I think we need this for other classes. This one I can fix this later. For now our menu is dynamic. If we add some more, I'll add some static links like anything, contact or services. This will not go nowhere. It's just for testing purpose. Here you can see contact. Now it's just a dynamic, and we need to take the logo path also dynamic using blog info function. It's coming from CSS, no problem, but we need to call our blog title in a header. For that we can use blog info name. And we need to use anchor because we need to give a link. When anybody is clicking on header image, we need to take them to home page. For that purpose I'm adding this one. This is code for this one, home URL. If you want to add a tagline, you can add a tagline also. If I refresh this page, you can see I'm going to use then height. I'll try to specify 800. That I think that will solve our problem. Yeah. That's working. That's working. Now we can indent this one. If I add this one, this style to header section, these are the header styles. After a header, logo A. Yeah, we need a display block also because anchor is an inline level element. That's just working fine. If we click on this page, we'll go to other one. If we are going to click on this one, we'll go to different pages. Okay. From next part, I'll continue this banner slider and in content sidebar logos.